Good morning mga besh. Today is a lovely day. It's good weather, and today is the last day of my vacation. So ayan, heading. We're going to the airport for our flight because today is our last day of vacation and we need to go back to work again and back to normal life, work, and then I'm just alone and sumakay lang ako ng van with the other passengers papuntang airport para makatipid ako. And hindi lang ako nagpahatid kasi mas nakalungkot ba pag may naghahatid sa'yo tapos you're gonna say goodbye to them, then you will think about it if they're safe on their way home, they reach the house safe, like that. So it's better na kaya ko naman yung sarili ko, I can manage myself. So it's just me going to the airport. So we are strong woman. Strong woman doesn't need anyone char. So that's it. See you in the airport.
Sabi na yan. Ano? Pwede mo na gumaling.
HK Express. And it's 5:36.